All right, guys, I am so incredibly excited to share with you the 3 amazing items that I got at ShopGoodwill.com. And one is a rare 1 of 100 limited edition Coach bag, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if that's something you're into, which I mean low-key between us, between friends, I'm assuming it is. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, find me over on Instagram at caleb.snell.designer. And what are we talking about today? I am sharing with you guys the 3 amazing Coach items that I found at ShopGoodwill.com. We have some housewares. We have a very rare limited edition 1 of 100 and a brand new tote that was just out last year and I paid way below retail. I'd call that a triple win. If you're not familiar with ShopGoodwill.com, essentially it is where all the good stuff that gets donated to Goodwill ends up. That's why you really can't find a whole lot of stuff in stores anymore, at least that's my experience. So your experience, it's my experience. So I can never find the good stuff in store anymore because it all ends up on the website. ShopGoodwill.com, it's kind of like an eBay, but it takes a very keen eye and a lot of filtering to find anything remotely decent on there. Half the time they have things listed wrong, named wrong, they don't even name it. They're just like, Coach, red bag, and you're like, okay, well that's, you know, a legacy hippie from 06, the 65th anniversary. You know what I mean. In fact, one of the items was so poorly, wrongly listed that I got it for a fraction of what it's truly worth. It's a rare exotic Coach bag. You're gonna be fraught with jealousy. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. Anyway, let's start at the bottom of the list. This is the least expensive item, and then we're gonna work our way up to the top. So everything on this list, I think the cheapest item is 15 bucks. Then we have something at 100, and then we have something at 232, which I paid a lot less than what my maximum bid was, so I'm happy about that. Now this piece, as you can tell, was from the old Coach outlet. I really miss back in the day. The Coach outlet used to be phenomenal. Housewares, travel, you name it, a lot of gorgeous pieces, really beautifully made, as opposed to now. And this is none other than the Lucite picture frame with the leather base. You guys, this thing I don't think ever left its box. It is in phenomenal condition. Coach used to make these in a variety of colors. I think there was like a navy blue, a black, the mahogany, of course, and this just happens to be the red, which normally I don't go for red things. Like those of you who know, like red brings out my pinky undertones, as you can tell. I normally wouldn't have gotten this, but my husband found it and he was like, oh, I really want the picture frame. So I was like, okay, well, get the picture frame. And I have a red lacquer chinoiserie table that sits behind the sofa. You can't really see it, but it's behind me. I promise I wouldn't lie to you. That I thought this would look really cute on. It kind of matches those same reds on the table, the painting on the table, and I just thought it would be kind of cute. I love having a lot of picture frames around the house, both of our travels, time with family and friends, and it's just picture frames. They're fun. Who knew? 15 bucks. Love it. The second item I am super excited about. You guys, honestly, real talk, before I show you what it is, this came out last year. It's part of the Tabby collection. No, it's not a pillow tabby. I have yet to actually find a pillow tabby on ShopGoodwill.com. Maybe once. It wasn't worth buying. This is part of the Tabby collection, and I wanted it last year, and like a fool, I was like, oh, I'll just wait till it goes to outlet. Well, guess what didn't go to outlet? This particular bag. And then I found it. I am seriously excited to switch into this. This is gonna be perfect for summer. This is the Coach Tabby large straw popcorn tote. And I love it. So this piece popped up, and I was like, there's no way. There is literally no way. Like, what's the catch? ShopGoodwill.com, their shipping's hit or miss. Sometimes they put like a beautiful box, tons of packaging, peanuts, the whole 9 yards. Other times they literally fold it up into a plastic envelope and ship it out. And guess what? Guess which it was this time? Someone thought it was a good idea to fold up a straw tote and put it in a plastic mailer, but that's fine. It arrived okay. I'm not too better. I'm better. This piece, you guys, is in phenomenal condition. As you can tell, the original owner never even took the stickers off of the magnets. And furthermore, comes with the original pouch, which just hooks on with a dog leash clip. And the best part, it still has that little piece of foam behind the creed there. Why anyone would donate this is absolutely beyond me. This originally retailed for $595 USD. I paid $112, I think, with shipping. Yes, I technically paid for a box and they sent it in a plastic mailer. The only downside to this bag, you're thinking like, Caleb, you just got like a gorgeous tote for like a fraction of the cost. I know, I hear you, I'm happy about it, but it's missing a hang tag. You guys, I am a collection purist at heart, and I don't even collect vintage Doonies that have like the snip tags on the inside. Like I have to have everything minus box, and I'll overlook the dust bags since everyone seems to throw them away or keep them, or I don't know what you're doing with your dust bags. But I have been desperately trying to find a large black hang tag for this to go back onto it. So If anyone has one and doesn't want it anymore, feel free to let me know. I'll buy it from you. But anyway, you guys, super excited. I love the Tabby collection, as you know. I have the soft Tabby, the matching wallet from the denim collections, and I am so excited to carry this summer. It's gonna be perfect for like open air markets, you know, just tooling about town when it's nice and warm out. Maybe Zane and I will travel and I can take this wine tasting. This would be a good wine tasting tote, you know, just kind of throw it over your shoulder and off you go. Super cute, and $100. Did I mention the best part? It was only $100. I've been holding out on you guys. I don't know how I was able to keep this a secret. So as you know, Zane and I, we host our lives every single Thursday night at 8 p.m. Central Time. Make sure to come back tomorrow. I have a lot of fun stuff planned for you guys. Anyway, normally, you know, I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I'll give you a little sneak peek, show you what I got, and I've held out on you. This is one time that I've gotten something new and I haven't been like, oh my God, you guys, I have to show you, because it is just that special. And it comes in the good dust bag, the good dust bag. Like if you've been a coachee for very long, then you know this is the good dust bag. That new nylon stuff they send out is whatever, but I don't throw mine away. This piece, you guys, is so incredibly rare. It only makes an appearance twice on the purse forum, and that's because they're talking about how rare it is. And now I have one. This is, okay, this piece, you guys, I'm gonna give you a peek. I'm gonna give you a peek. I'm just gonna give you a peek because I'm a nice guy. Can you tell what it is? This, you guys, is a very rare number 2 of 100 Coach Alligator clutch. Yes, this is made from American alligator in a beautiful shiny red leather, and it's all mine. Now, yes, I know, I just said I hate the color red because look, here's proof I do not look good with red things, says the guy who has the red Gucci cape from the 2018 runway. Neither here nor there. Safe Space was actually 2016, I lied, sorry. This piece, you guys, is phenomenal. So it does need a little bit of attention. There's some cracking going on. I'll get some alligator leather lotion, moisturizer for it. And overall, super cute. It's lined in pigskin, has a cute little card slot here at the front, this beautiful red interior, and it is phenomenal, you guys. So this was made in Italy, like I said, of American alligator skin. I can see why people get sucked into the Hermès exotics. I'm a convert. I never thought I would like alligator or crocodile this much, and I kind of do. Not gonna lie, it does have a little slip pocket here on the back. And even though there is some minor cracking between the scales, but I'm going to use this like what, maybe once every 2 or 3 years. Like it's not that deep. Eventually I'll send it out to get restored. I actually reached out to the leather surgeons. I'm waiting to hear back just to see if they can do anything with it, but I'm not mad. I really only paid a fraction of what it's worth. You're probably curious, like, Caleb, what did you pay? Like, low-key rude, but I'm very transparent. I'm not a gatekeeper. Just kidding. Well, no, about gatekeeping, but no, you're not rude. It's my job to tell you. However, my original bid, so I saw on the purse forum that people were like, oh, I'd pay X amount, I'd pay this amount, like I'd give anything for this bag. So I knew I had something special. So they had it listed as embossed crocodile, which I think helped in my case. But what hurt is they had the style number listed in the title. And anyone who collects Coach or is a fanatic like I am, they know the style numbers of the bags they want offhand. So people are honestly constantly searching for these style numbers. So I did have a little bit of back and forth, a little auction excitement, if you will. So I was like, you know what? I bid to win. I rarely lose an auction if I want something. I wanted this. My top bid, I want to say, was like $357. I like to think like, okay, like this is my max. The normal person's going to go in like increments of 5. So I usually like to go with like increments of like odd numbers. So I'll do like 351, but then I'm like, oh, they're probably gonna do 351 to test you, so it should do 353, but you might as well do 355, but then by that point you might as well just do 357. So I always do like $6 or $7 more than I actually intend to pay. So this one I think ended for like $200, $232 maybe before shipping and tax. It came in a real box, so I was happy about that. I mean, can you guys just even? I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, that was my little ShopGoodwill.com haul. I went a little Coach crazy. I'm currently watching a lot of Dooney and Burke stuff, so wish me luck with that. I think there's like a Teton bag ending in about 12 hours. So I'm probably going to be bidding on that. Well, not now that I've told you all about it. Well, no, it should end before this goes up. So I'm still going to bid on it. But anyway, ShopGoodwill.com. If you haven't looked, check it out. For Dooney and Burke, literally just type the word Dooney because you never know if they're going to do like the ampersand Burke or A&D Burke. And when it comes to Coach, just type in Coach and scroll because it goes for like 130 pages, and it's all so poorly named and listed. Very rarely do they know like what the bag is and do they list it properly. So you can get some amazing deals on there, but be very careful. Inspect all of the photos because they will literally sometimes go out of their way to not show you damage or wear on the bag. And as a vintage Dooney and Burke collector, it drives me crazy that they don't post photos of the red, white, and blue tag. Like, is it cut? Is it gone? Is it cut in half? Like I need to know the situation before I bid. Thank you for watching my cute little haul today. Come back Thursday, we have the live at 8 p.m. Friday, we have our weekend vlog, which is a very chill weekend. That'll be up Friday at 4, and of course we'll have our live premiere Sunday at 11 a.m. Central Time because I love chatting with you guys, just seeing what everyone's up to, like your reactions in real time to the video. It's so much fun to do. That's it. Thank you for coming today. Until tomorrow, stay safe, have fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.